Alright, thanks everyone again for joining. Okay, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you all. Let's see if we can capture some future trades over on NQ or ES. And a reminder again that everything that we mention over here specifically for me is not a financial advice. We're not qualified to give you financial advice. It's more from an educational perspective for you guys to see what's going on my mind when I trade. Okay, and to learn from there, because our end objective is the same. We want all of you to be superb traders and be even better than us. So on my screen, I believe you can see my NQ charts, correct?
Yep.
So on the right side is a 1 minute chart, and on the left side is a 5 minutes chart. And on the 1 minute, basically the orange lines that you see are from 30-minute time frame, because I mainly scalp, and the white line that you see is from the high and low of yesterday. So that's pretty much all I have on my chart. And the blue lines that you may see on the left side, okay, right over here and here, those are the weekly highs and lows from last week. So we'll be using the 5 minutes as a reference time frame, and we will be using the 1 minute for our execution. So I'm trading on my TradeRhub account on the other screen. Okay, so I can stream both together. So basically you guys should be able to hear whenever I'm taking a trade and not. Okay, so you understand like exactly what I'm doing, and I'll try to be as descriptive as possible.
So it's NQH4.
Yep,
That's right.
NQH4 on TradeRhub because we're trading the
Gotcha.
March contracts. And also I'll be sharing a screenshot with you. This is exactly what we should not be doing. Okay, because I really want to share this screenshot with you because we need to know like what are the things that we should not be doing as well. So I just posted the screenshot in the chat. I hope all of you can see. So typically those of who you have been trading with me or know me a bit, okay, or attended my previous sessions, you guys know very well that I don't take too many trades on a day, right? I take usually 2 to 3 trades. Now, today's a holiday, no work, okay, and I have been literally trading from early morning all the way till now, okay. So, this is something, yep, I have been profitable. You can see on the screenshot, right? You guys can see the screenshot, or do you want me to bring it up? It's on the chat right here, okay.
Yeah, yeah, we can see it.
Yep. So, see, the problem is when you take too many small trades, okay, your concentration level goes at times. At times, what happens is like you can't really focus on what you're doing, okay? You get fixated on the small moves. If you can see on the chat here, okay, I'm on my funded account, so my risk is much less. I don't trade with my own money. And if you guys have any questions on funded accounts, please feel free to ask me or TraderShub Ninja. Both of us are using that, okay, to minimize our risk and to make more money comfortably. So that is there, but then again, this is an extreme example of over trading. Okay, I think like if I count, probably I have taken more than 20 trades since the morning, which is totally something that I tell always not to do. Okay, 20 small trades instead of like 2 to 3 good trades and you are done for the day. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24 trades if you can see. Okay, so that is quite a bit of extreme. Okay, and out of that, 3 are losing trades, 1 is a break even. So 20 profitable trades. But this is something that you should definitely avoid, especially if you're new, because you will be basically completely losing your concentration after a while. And if you guys have any questions about anything, please feel free to ask me. Okay, don't hesitate. Absolutely don't hesitate to ask anything. So what am I looking over here on the NQ chart? So we can see like this is our high of the day. We try to break through, and in parallel on another screen I have SPY and QQQ up always. Okay, so that is something that you have to think of like mandatory if you are trading like futures for ES or NQ. Okay, because you need to see like where SPY is going, where NQ is going. So this region is basically the 475 test on SPY. Okay, everywhere. So it's testing 475 and it's falling down. So right now we can see like another breakdown. Okay, and if you look at the chart, this is a formation. Probably we're looking at a shoulder, we're looking at a head. A head and shoulder doesn't always have to be an exact pattern. Okay, or you can say this is a double top. Okay, so what we are looking at is one top, two tops if you're looking at double top. If not, probably this is a shoulder, this is a head, although it's pretty much on the same level. We'll try to see if it comes back and tries to make another shoulder. And what I'm looking for is right now for SPY to, sorry, okay. So what am I looking for is for SPY basically to have a breakdown of the 20 EMA on SPY. Okay, so this is the chart basically I'm telling you guys about. Let's just load it. Give you a second. Sorry about that. Don't know why my trading view chart is not loading there. Yeah. Okay, so this typically is my go-to chart. Okay, every single day. When I send you guys the levels and everything, this actually comes from here. I just
Order filled.
maximize this and give it to you guys. Okay, so here basically you can see like the reason I didn't short this because my green lines are my 9 EMA, the blue is 20, the white is 60, and the yellow is my 200. The reason basically we didn't short here, if you look here on SPY, this is a complete fake out. Okay, now we are
Order
probably gonna
filled.
break the high of the day over here. So let's see if we can move another 10 points. If we move a high of the day here, then probably we are looking at more downside from there. But for now, our bias is towards the upside because this was a complete fake out, this particular candle. Anyone who basically started shorting here would be caught. Okay, because they would think like, okay, it broke below 20 EMA, let's short. And the moment you do that, you're caught out. Okay, so always what I try to do is you see the bar timer over here in TradingView. This is very important for me. You will see me always trying to enter on the last 15 to 20 seconds of a bar because that gives you a clear idea exactly what that bar is planning to do. Any questions so far? And
Actually, I'm about to short when it drops EMA 9. Then after that, I realized that it can hold EMA 20. So yeah, again,
exactly,
it's
and
back.
that's
Yeah.
exactly what happened over here, right? It dropped.
Hmm.
Okay, so 20 is my go-to EMA. 9 is very fickle. Okay, 9 gives you early indication, but 20 is basically based on what I take the trades. So
Got it.
waiting for either a close below 20, okay, or basically a break above these levels. Either of these two. Nothing else here.
So when exactly you use like a 9?
9 is basically to understand the I mean use 9, think of 9 as a warning signal. Okay, that it gives you the indications or the warnings. Okay, get ready.
Gotcha.
That's one, and the other is basically on the crossovers. You see a crossover over here? Okay, you see a crossover over here? These are also very important for me because if we break down over here, if we break down
Order
9,
filled.
I would be targeting straight. Okay, I'd be straight targeting the 200. That's it. I don't see anything in the middle, probably.
So where you're watching next trade can be.
Either a breakout above this. If we break out above this, okay, then
Mhm.
we're straight away targeting high of the day. Or basically we need a close above 9. Sorry, close below 20. Right around here. Okay, we need a strong close. Either of these two.
So can I place order at 70.52 for long?
Yep, exactly. Mine is actually at 53.
53.
Yeah, I
Okay.
have a stop buy order at 53.
Correct.
Okay, slightly above because like one tick, two tick, okay, is can be like a complete fake out. Okay, but if you're placing it over here, that will only trigger if there is a very strong candle which is pushing up. Okay, and if we have that, then basically we are targeting this region. And if we break below, then we are targeting this region.
So below in the sense your placed order at 42.
No, I don't still have a short order because I don't want to be get caught in a week like this.
Mhm.
Okay, I want to see the close. I want to see a confirmed close, then I want to take the order, not before. And for the rest of you, don't be shy asking questions. Okay, that's how we learn. We can learn from you. Okay, someone else can learn from you, so don't be shy asking questions. There are absolutely no dumb or stupid questions. We might give like dumb answers, but that's on us. Okay, so absolutely don't be shy. If you have questions from very basic, okay, that you don't understand what futures is, how we trade it, feel free to ask anything.
Now we have a couple of new members here as well, like Srinath
Mm-hmm.
and Mega Ruler joined us, and a couple of like Wonder Woman as well.
Okay,
All the new members, maybe they are just listening. And one more guy, like he just pinged me, he will join in 5 minutes. Oh, my
absolutely.
order is filled.
Okay, I didn't still get my fill on TradeRhub. Okay, on my top step
Okay.
account. So I'm literally waiting for to get the fill. Let's see if we can manage it.
Oh, you did the short or the long over there?
No, I want a long at 53.
Yeah,
Okay,
I
I didn't
did the
get a
long at
fill.
the 53.
Yeah,
Oh my God, it going crazy down.
don't worry. Okay, and my second order is basically placed at the 9 EMA right now, which is at 1748. So either a breakout or because now I feel confident taking a long over here. Let's see if we can get that.
Can I average it now or else
No,
let it go?
let's wait.
Nope. Okay.
Let's wait. Too
Hmm.
early. If you average it, you really won't get much. If you don't feel
Gotcha.
comfortable, you want to get out, you can get out for 1 point or one half point. Okay, and take it down later.
Maybe I will take like 1 point.
Yep, you can. Take it at 54, easy.
Yeah. Yeah, I did 54.
You got it? You got a fill, right?
Not at
Okay. Put it at 53 and a half to be safe if you want.
53 and a half.
Yeah, you'll get filled right now. Okay, because I can understand that you don't feel very comfortable in the trade, right?
Yes.
You thought you're thinking you got it too high. Put it at 53 and a half. Just get out at break
Yeah,
even. Okay, you will still
got
get some money along with your commissions. My order right now is sitting at 49. Okay, and if you took that order
uh
in that place, my stop will be somewhere around 45-ish from where you took the trade.
But 45-ish is too long, right? Maybe we
That's like
will
8
lose almost.
points. That's like 8 points.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Eh,
$160. You can easily make it back.
Gotcha. 45. Got
Or
it.
another
I
thing
got you
with
why you're
futures
saying
is if
45.
you're not comfortable, just get out, okay, for 1 or 2 point loss, and you can always make it back. It's not a big deal at all.
I totally agree. One time I lost like a $700. I took
Yep,
it, and then I'm back with $2,000
yep.
right after that.
Because that's one great thing about futures, okay, that if you don't take too big hits, you can always make it back and get back immediately within the same day. So right now we are trying to break that level. You see?
Yeah, yeah. I think it's
Okay.
trying very hard at there.
Yeah.
Oh, it got filled. Oh my God, crazy. $100 profit.
Okay.
Yeah,
So see why I was very confident taking that trade, telling you like to put it there because you might have got stop rated. That's also something that I didn't want. Okay. So now you're
yeah.
gonna break like now you're gonna regret why you sold it. Okay, because we're gonna break high of the day pretty much sure from here.
Yeah, but still, like I took like a three contracts, so I
Okay.
got like almost
So you should
100,
be getting like close to
104.
100 plus.
Yeah, 104 just in
Yeah.
2 minutes. I'm
Order
good.
filled.
Mm-hmm. So my order is riding along with the EMA. Okay.
Mhm.
So 9 is right now at 1751. Let's see if I can get a fill.
Order
Yep, I'm
filled.
in. Let's see what happens now. If it falls, I'm least worried. Okay, cause I'm only in with like 1/10 of my position over here. What I can, sorry, yeah, 1/10 of my position. What I can go.
I think I did a lot of risk, like with three contracts.
Mm-hmm.
That's the reason I got worried about it.
Okay.
But looks like you always take like one contract.
I take usually 2 contracts each way.
Gotcha.
So in that way, like I have lots of room to average down if required.
Yeah,
Okay.
makes sense.
Yeah.
So
So
now it's
I'm
holding
in
like EMA
at
20.
1751 and I'm holding. Let's see what happens.
So you're in at 1751 because of EMA 9 holding it?
Yeah, I was testing the because it was like holding the EMA 9 and the 20. Okay,
Mhm.
so I took my first position at 9 and I'll
Gotcha.
wait on it because like I still feel confident that we will probably hit high of the day.
Yeah.
So let's see what's happening.
So for the new people, this is like a funded account, guys. We are not doing any trades with our real money. So this
Order
is
filled.
completely funded account.
We're
Maybe
trading
if
with
you
our
need
real
any
money,
help.
not our own real money.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah. So we'll get like if you get the profit of $100, you will get $90, and they will take a commission of $10 like
yeah.
that.
Okay.
And if you guys need any help, we are ready to help you. Like connect separately one-on-one calls and set up like all the funded account stuff.
Which broker are you using, guys?
Okay, so for funded account, basically my funded account company, I have two companies. Okay, I am funded by both Apex and TopStep. So both of them give the platforms everything. Okay, we don't have to buy the platforms licenses or anything. So typically we use either Tradeovate or NinjaTrader or Rhythmic. Okay, either of these three. So these are the most common platforms that's in the market there.
Got it.
Yeah. Also, also they typically do sales. I mean, you know, they run a promotion sometimes
Yep, they
where
do.
they'll give you 90% off or something like that.
Yep,
So it's best to take these accounts around that time.
exactly. I am personally waiting for the next sale to come from Apex to get a few more accounts.
Yeah, do you think there will be any sale for New Year?
I hope so. I'm waiting for it for I thought they would give it like during Christmas or Boxing Day.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping for, but
Let's see.
unfortunately, it looks like yeah.
And I really want TopStep to give some sales. Okay, they're kind of expensive. It's like 50 bucks an account for a 50k account. So because like what I like about TopStep is TopStep has superb customer service.
Order
Hmm.
filled.
Okay, so I'm still in.
Where you're taking profit, it's almost
I'm
up
not.
like a 1 point.
I'm not. I'm
Not.
moving my stop.
Srinath said need to drop.
So
Okay.
I
Good to
think the
join
top
and learn
step
Hugging
is that
Face.
for the 50K account,
Okay, so
I
what
think
I
the
did
C
now is my entry was at 51. So I moved it up my stops to 52 and I will be trying to take profits on the first
Stop
contract.
filled.
Okay, I got stopped out, but still like a 1 point trade for me. Okay, my target was to leave one contract
Order
at
filled.
54 again. Okay, 54 to 55, and then get the other one at high of the day off. Okay, but looks like that's a stop that's filled. Let's see if we can get in again. Of course, we should be able to. It's a little bit dodgy right now because like I mean like a bit flaky right now because two reasons. One is we're approaching lunchtime, that's one, and the other is whether SPY 475 holds or not. Although I'm trading NQ, I'm still
Order
keeping an
filled.
eye on SPY. Okay, I'm in again this time at 1749. Let's see.
Order filled.
Oh, again, it's a long.
Yep, against the long.
Okay. Let me in now.
And for me today, I can afford to take a bit of risk, okay, on these trades, cause like I'm up significantly. Okay, if it was like I was starting the day, probably I wouldn't have been taking the trades around this here. Okay, so let's see what's happening. So I'm down almost like what 4 or 5 points now, but we're just looking like what's happening over here. Okay, so if you are like
Order filled.
taking like trades too quick, you need to give it a little bit of room to breathe. Okay, the last trade you saw, like I was like locking my profits in. The reason was very simple. Okay, because this is around lunchtime. We are moving very fast. Okay, so towards lunch. So I don't want to take an unnecessary risk over here. Because what's our lunch time in Eastern Standard Time EST is like Europe closed. Okay, so in futures basically you need to have an eye on like the Asian markets when they close, on the European market when they close, as well as the New York sessions. Okay, so typically when New York opens, Asian markets start closing up. So that's one time. Europe opens around 2 to 3 a.m. our time and closes around this time. So that's why you'll see a lot of movements here. And intentionally, that's why I typically ask TradersHub for the live sessions from 1 p.m. to avoid the lunch hour because a lot of shady things happen in the lunch hour. You will see like within the next hour if we are here. Okay. And New York has two sessions. One is the morning session before lunch, and the other is like the afternoon session after lunch.
You hear that? Like my order got failed again. I got like a 60 bucks.
Okay, you shorted this time.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, a good decision.
I think Satya has a couple of questions. He's on mute.
Please feel free to ask.
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yep, we can
Yes,
hear
yeah,
you.
no.
Okay. No, I was just saying like when you're talking, I mean if you're really active on the trade, I would let you talk. I
No,
mean I
no
don't.
worries. Absolutely go on.
Okay. So I was saying that Top Step is currently priced at $38. or 50K accounts. Do you think that will
How much
still
is it, top
go?
step?
I see they're priced at $38, which is quite less than
Really?
Apex. Yeah.
Hold on a sec. I was checking yesterday night.
Yeah, I checked yesterday. I mean, it's been. I mean, I have been checking for almost a couple of weeks, and then it's always priced at $38.
For me, it's like 49 whenever I see it.
Let me tell you the coupon. I think they are applying 20% coupon, something like
Oh,
that.
okay. I don't
Like,
have that for top step. Okay. Yeah. Mind if I ask you where you got the coupon for top step?
I think they are applying. I mean, I didn't do anything actually in my
Mm-hmm.
case. They
Okay.
are just applying it
Maybe for the
from their end.
first
So
time, perhaps. Okay, because for me, I don't see anything. It's still showing me 49.
yeah, no, no. Only when you go. Okay, first it shows 49,
Mm-hmm.
but if you go all the way,
At the time of
uh,
checkout.
yeah, that's when
Okay.
you will see 39.20, and they apply that 20% off.
That's good. Okay, that's a reasonable price, I would say, for top step.
So we don't need to wait for further
No,
price.
top step rarely gives discount. I have seen them giving a discount probably during that was like in September or October. That's the time I got my top step accounts. Okay, and then they gave me another account for free. So that's how I got like two top step accounts.
Okay.
Okay, so and ever since I've been waiting, okay, for these guys to give a sell and buy some more at top step because I really want to diversify from
What price did
Apex.
you buy it? What price did you buy
The first
at?
one I got it at like $11. Okay, it was like a 1 day sell. One of my friends actually get notified me. It was only for one night. And the second one, they saw like how I trade and everything, so they launched their own platform, Top Step X. So on that they invited me like a what do you call like a beta user, okay, or early
Oh,
access user. Okay, so that one they gave for free. But I don't
okay.
recommend going for anyone signing up with Top Step X because it's a very buggy platform till now. It's in very early stages.
I see.
Okay, looks like we're not making any move up, so let's see what to do with this trade.
For Apex, do you recommend waiting until the new year?
Yep, absolutely. Absolutely. See, the reason I am not adding to this trade at all, okay, or averaging down, because I don't see any more supports around here. Okay, if this breaks, I literally don't have anything. If I add, probably I will add something around here. Okay, not before that. Okay,
Got it. Maybe like a 60 can hold it.
yeah, exactly. Okay, so let's say because like
Mhm.
right now it's moving more towards the downside. We're looking at the downside. Okay, so I don't prefer at all adding to a loser. Okay, especially not at such a distance when I don't see another clear site. If I see one, of course I will add, but not right now.
So what is your mental stop loss?
Mental stop loss is below 200 EMA now.
Gotcha.
Okay, probably I will add at 200 EMA and take it slightly lower. So let's see.
And Satya, you have questions on indicator, right?
Yeah, please feel free to ask because we're not doing
Yeah,
anything. We're
yeah.
just playing a patience game here.
Yeah, for me, somehow
Mm-hmm.
uh, that's intermittently very different actually.
What do you
Let
mean?
me pull up
Okay, let's see.
uh,
Give me a sec.
like the zeros are impacting actually the chart. So let me create a new.
Wait, this is
Hmm.
exactly how you feel it. Okay, you need one bearish line, one bullish line. You need to have
Hmm.
values everywhere. Okay, and what you can do is if you don't want the zeros to show, just remove the ticks from the zeros. So those bars will not impact
Ah,
your chart at all.
I see. I think that's the reason,
Yeah,
probably.
okay.
Yeah. Okay, let me do that and.
Yep,
confirm.
try it and let me know. We might see a bounce from 4150 because that was from the previous day. Okay, that was the high of the previous day, so that's acting as a resistance right now. If you look at it, this is how the
Mm-hmm.
4150 came up. Okay, this was from the previous day high right here.
Oh, nice bounce.
Okay, so let's see.
Mm, Need to hold that TMI 9.
We're still below 9. To cross
Yeah, yeah.
9, go up, okay, and then come down.
Mm. So what about ES? You do only NQ?
No, I do both.
Do you
If you
have
look
any
at the chat,
preference like other
you know when if you look at the chat, you will see like
the
I'm
both are
doing
same?
both. Yeah, the screenshot that I'm posting.
Got it.
Okay. So now you guys understood, right? Why I typically avoid the lunch hour because like movement is like slow and flaky during the lunch hour. Okay, during 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern.
Got it. So what is your profit take? It's almost popped up.
This one, let's see where this bar ends up. Okay, let's look
I
at it.
think it will touch 48.
Yeah,
Oh,
like right now I kept it just above break even. Okay, but if I
mm-hmm.
see like the bars are continuously green and holding, I'll try to take
Mm-hmm.
some money out of it.
Yeah, it touches like a 48.
Yeah, being greedy is not good, but sometimes you just can't help it. And you guys saw why I always have the previous day's highs and lows marked on the chart, right? See exactly where it
Yes,
bounced from.
Order filled.
Okay?
yes.
Order filled.
Alright, I still took like a point. Okay, we closed it at 1750, one contract. I still have the other one. You guys can hear when my TradeRHub talks, right? When the orders are filled and that.
No, somehow I can't.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Maybe noise cancellation or something.
I have no idea. Not so tech savvy like you. Okay. So I sold one
Ah,
contract at 1750. I still have the other one, which I'm holding.
wow, it's a 51. It touches. Wow.
And what I have done is on the other one, okay, I haven't moved my stops. I just kept it as it is where it is. Okay, because I am still hoping for a ride up. Let's see. The thing you guys need to
Order filled.
understand over here is that the risk management aspect, right? I had two contracts, it was going down. Okay, the trade didn't go exactly as I planned. So I literally got rid of one, okay, which minimizes my risk by 50%. So the other one I'm holding right now.
Can I place a short at like a 1754.50?
No? Why?
Because it's today's high.
No, today's high is
Oh, sorry.
1760.50. If you're
Sorry.
placing
Yeah,
it
I
there,
missed
you
it.
are actually taking quite a bit of risk. Because in case we
Mm-hmm.
break from those areas, okay, we would be touching high of the day. which basically I'm banking on.
So you're not seeing any shorts for now.
No,
Okay.
unless the high of the day we move up and start downtrending from. We'll definitely we will touch that, okay, and start downtrending from there. Okay, now I move my
Mhm.
stop up. Okay, now my stop on the other contract is moved to 1750. Okay, I'll move it even up to 1751. So whatever happens, I'll still make 2 points on the second contract.
So with the real account, a quick question. So do I need to do any limits there? Like every month I need to do some like a $3,000 for sure
No,
or something like
absolutely
that?
no.
Nothing.
Absolutely no. Okay, most likely I'll
Okay.
get stopped out on the second contract. Okay,
Mhm.
let's see. Almost getting stopped out. Okay, because my stop is at 1751.
But still, it's a profit, right?
Yeah, I'll still make 2 points on the second contract. I made 1 point on the first one, which didn't go according to plan. I'll make 2 points on the second one. Okay. Okay, good. It touched but didn't fill me in. Sometimes not filling in is good. Okay, now I'm out. Okay, so that was the trade. It didn't go according to our plan exactly, but you can see like still you had a plan, right? Exactly where to add, where to get out, okay, when to take your profits out on a losing trade. So whether it's a winning trade or a losing trade, okay, you need to go in with a plan. That's the part I think like we all need to keep in our mind. Because my target was what? I went in here on a 9 a.m. touch, okay, and then it went down. I was looking at the reaction here and I was expecting this. Okay, if it comes down here, I will average down here. Okay, didn't do it, bounced exactly from here, and then it's moving up again. Okay, and we will probably, if we break this level, we are going to mark the high of the day again. That's the part basically where we're gonna take the next trade. So is your
Then
indicator
what?
working properly now? I'm sorry, you had a question.
No, I mean to ask like then what mean you to take out of it? Like you took very early, right? Like what's
I
the reason?
got stopped out, okay, but like my logic was being I was down for quite some time, right? So my
Mhm.
first target is to protect my capital, okay, and that was there. So I took out one contract immediately, the other one I had like 2 point stops, okay. So still that's a profitable trade for me, but yep, we could have gone up, but I don't feel very comfortable ever trading exactly during the lunch hour.
Okay.
Okay, so I didn't want to take a risk. Now your question, you had a question like, okay, if you took it a short at 54.50, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you took a short at 54.50, you see for a while the candle before the current one. Okay, it actually tried to move up. It's coming down now. Okay, so you would be actually risking quite a bit because you never know like whether it's gonna ride all the way up or it's gonna fall down.
I
Okay, so
got it.
that's a risk that I don't think you really want to take.
I got you. But till now, what I play is like whenever it touched like a high,
Mm-hmm.
and I will place the order there, and just with a 1 point or 1.5 point, I
You'll
will
be
come out
scalping.
like that. Yeah,
Okay.
scalping mostly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is working. The indicator
Perfect.
is working once after I
Yeah.
did that in the style.
Yeah. Because like after my friend made these indicators, okay, we back tested this for quite some time. So I was like very surprised like it doesn't work properly. It's just about the settings. So you just play around with it and you get used to it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see what's happening here. Okay, we broke through this. I'm actually waiting for a breakout of this.
What's your thoughts on scalping?
I do that. I,
Okay.
I don't swing. I have to sleep well at night.
Yeah.
I'm a terrible swing trader. That's the thing. Okay, it's not like I don't want to. I simply don't have the ability to.
I feel like people will do like a swing in a futures. I never feel in that direction. I can't leave any contract for night.
Same here. Okay, same here. I am thinking slowly to start with like MNQ contracts on my interactive broker account, which is with my own money, and
Mm.
try with MNQ. Okay, because let's see what happens. It's too early. Okay, so that's there, but that's the ultimate plan.
Gotcha.
And none of the funded programs have that, you cannot leave the contract, right? We need to close that in the day.
I didn't get your question. Can you say that again, please?
None of the funded futures trading programs have,
I
I mean,
haven't seen till now. I haven't
yeah,
seen till now because I think they also want to minimize their risk, right? They don't want you to lose
mm,
their money.
yeah.
And they will close it at 4:30 or somewhere that time, right? But if we got a contract at 6 o'clock, we can swing that overnight
Yeah,
if
that
it
you can do
if our
because
account is
it's
didn't
the same
blocked.
session. That's actually not considered overnight because we're still in the same session. Because
Okay.
future sessions are
Gotcha.
23 hours, right? So
Hmm.
tomorrow's session will start at today.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. So see, your trade at 54.50 was not a bad trade at all if you managed to hold it. Okay, but I wouldn't
Yeah.
take that trade because it doesn't go with my style. So that's the thing. Like everyone has their own trading strategies and styles. Okay, you can just be a copycat or take a cookie cutter approach to it. You need to figure out like what you're comfortable with.
Yeah, most of the time I comfort on doing this kind of things, high
Mm-hmm.
high, low low things.
Okay.
Again, when I can take a next contract, if I'm
Order filled.
like
Mm-hmm.
a 70-41, I will take a long, and
Mm-hmm.
again I will play like 1 or 2 points, not more than that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how I play. But I'm trying to learn different ways.
Absolutely. That's all our objective is, right? That's all our
Yeah,
objective is. You're all here to learn from each other.
exactly.
Okay, so
Uh,
when we started, let me see where we are.
you also said you mark the previous day high lows, right?
Yeah,
So
absolutely. That's very important. And you can see like the bounce exactly happened from there. Okay. Do you guys hear any background noises or no background noises?
No, nothing.
Perfect. My mic is working pretty well. Okay, so when I started with you guys, I was like at what? 1300 something, correct? If I'm not mistaken?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I was at 1310.
TraderShub.ninja said anytime buddy.
Now it's at
We have midweek
1624.
preparation live tomorrow 8 a.m.
Wow,
CST.
Okay.
you're killing.
But this is totally what you should not be doing. Okay, I'm just scalping.
Mhm.
Okay, you asked my thoughts on scalping. So look at the trades, right? I'm just purely scalping here for small profits. Okay,
But
take.
still, I enjoy that.
Yep, but it kills your concentration. Okay, look at me. Okay, I'm taking like what? I'm taking like 25, 50, 20 buck trades. Okay, yeah, it is making money, but what happens is you lose your concentration after a while.
very true.
Order
Because I think
filled.
you
See,
can
this
requires
is
a lot
swing.
of patience for
yesterday's
scalping.
previous session's high. Okay, see, exactly this is where we bounced from now. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
working as a support. If we lose this,
Mm-hmm.
then that means like we are either gonna bounce, try next bounce will be from 200 EMA or straight from VWAP. Okay, so we are in pretty shady areas right now.
Oh my God. Yeah, it is.
Okay, and the
Yeah,
reason
I
basically
think.
I pushed up my stops to take it out is that I didn't know like it's not gonna come down again, right? I'll enter again,
Mhm.
but for now, no.
I have a hard stop at 11:30, like in 5 minutes.
Yeah, we'll close early today.
Mm.
Close early today because my children are at home. I want to have lunch with them. That's another reason I moved in a little bit early.
All right, yeah.
I rarely get the
Hey,
chance on weekdays.
I think even I'm open at this same time every Tuesday. But yeah, we'll check with
No,
other
I don't
people
want
as
to
well.
really trade at this time. Okay, because like the lunch hour, it's best to avoid always
But
because you
still,
will.
we got like I got like a $200. I'm very happy.
Okay, next time we trade after lunch hours, we'll try to make more
Okay.
than that.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
What's your target? Like a daily?
My life is very simple. Okay, if I make 500, I'm pretty happy. $1,000, most of the days I just stop and walk away.
Mhm.
Today is like there's no work, right? It's closed for Boxing Day, so I've been doing this since the morning. And I really know like probably I should take a break, okay, have lunch, come back for the last hour maybe. 'Cause I don't believe in like doing it continuously. Okay, because like the
Mhm.
more times you are taking the trades, you are exposing yourself to the market, right? You are exposing yourself to the risk.
Agree. Let us know if you do trading again. I can join you if you
Absolutely,
are
will do.
interested. Yeah.
Absolutely will do. As long as you guys learn even a little bit from these sessions, I am happy, okay? So, cause my trading journey, you know it very well, right? From where I started, okay, and how it all
Order
went.
filled.
So that's difficult, okay. This looks like we can go long here if it
Hmm.
holds. Alright, I would like to take one here. Just place the order at 45-ish, so we don't have much risk. Okay,
Got failed.
sorry, no, I still couldn't place the order because my order was like more, and this time I'll be taking only one contract, not two.
Mhm. Why? Because you're seeing EMA 20
Yeah,
year.
exactly.
Okay.
Okay. The only reason I'm taking the trade is based on the candles. Okay, the candle
Order
started
filled.
turning. Okay, I'm in.
Hmm.
But this is a totally counter trade, okay, because you are below your EMAs. So
Yeah.
don't expect much from this. This is a we'll try to scalp it very quickly if it works.
I was afraid to get in because of EMA 9 drops, EMA
Yep.
20. So
I'm targeting just 20 EMA here.
got it. Oh,
Order filled.
it
Okay,
got
I'm
filled.
out.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a 2 point trade. So 2 point trade is roughly after commissions and everything that gives you about $35. And I'll
Hmm.
be very honest with you guys, like when I used to trade like small caps, okay, I am not one of your Instagram traders, not so good like them, okay, and that, and still can't figure out like if people make like 5,000 or 10,000 a day or whatever, why do they have to run behind my $50 subscription fee? Okay, so I don't know how to trade small caps like those guys, but for me, like making a few $100 a day with small caps was good enough.
Order
So
filled.
these were like difficult to do at that time. Okay, but with futures it's pretty easy. You can see, right? I'm scalping just right and left here while talking to you guys. And you can see like we're trying to do it with as minimal risk as possible. Okay.
I need to stop here.
Yeah, I
I
will
need to
also
drop
drop
here.
by. Any questions from any of you before we stop?
I'm good from my side.
Okay, so everyone else, thank you once again for joining. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day. We'll talk soon. Bye.
Right.